Good morning, everyone. Here's Joe from JR's Car Reviews. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you have the notifications turned on so that you'll know when I upload a new video. So for today's in-depth review, here I am to bring you the all-new 2021 BMW X5M competition. This will be a full tour of the X5M competition. I'm going to start out. I'm also going to show the engine. I'm also going to show you guys the inside, so what's the outside of the SUV. So here's the key. Just gonna climb on in and get started. So you got your unlock, your lock, your trunk release, and your panic. Also, when you press the lock button, the mirrors will automatically fold in. When you press the unlock button, the mirrors will automatically fold out. It also has BMW Smart Key Access System, just to keep the key fob in your pocket. Doors are currently unlocked. Press this red portion to lock it. And then to unlock it, you just put your hand on the door handle and automatically locks the vehicle. I believe the SUV also has soft closing doors. Just show that one more time. Very nice. It's a black exterior. With black leather interior. It's got the X5M logo on the headrest. Power driver's seat with power recline and your power lumbar. And this controls the lumbar support. Also has push button ignition. All you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the button, which is in the center console, to start the engine. Very nice. It's got a 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. Nice smooth power steering. Also has sport grips in 10 and 2. It's got an 8-speed automatic transmission. So how it works is for reverse, you go over to the left and up. That's reverse. And then you go to the left for drive. Go over again, your sport mode. It can shift up or down, or you can do it via the power shifters behind the steering wheel. You also have your rear backup camera with guidance lines. And you also have a top-down view as well. And for park, just tap P for park. Park wrist okay right here. All right, let's go ahead and call on the lights and the hazards. It's got a automatic driver's side window. We'll check out the exterior. Got your LED turn mirrors. And there's your camera right there. You have your LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights and your LED turn signal indicators. And also has BMW's laser light system. There's your camera. I have your LED tail lights with the LED turn signal indicators. Quad exhaust. All right, let's go and pop the hood. Gotta pull it twice. Come up to the hood, you have BMW's 4.4 liter V8. That's washer fluid right there. Hang on. Do that again. There we go. Got your power windows. Your power mirrors. Which also fold. Power door locks. This is for your seat massage, and this is to control the passenger seat. You have your two-press memory settings. Storage down there. Window lock. All right, let's gonna give it a couple of revs. Oh, before I forget, you also have a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. All right, let's give it a couple of revs. Nice. You got your climate control. fan speed. On each side, you also have your temperature on each side as well. You have your max front defrost, rear defrost, your different modes, your automatic. You have your automatic for the passenger side, your different zones, recycling, max air conditioning. You also have heated seats for the driver and passenger. And you have ventilated seats. Right here, you have your cup holders, which are heated and cooled. You have a 12-volt power outlet. And you have your USB outlet. You have your storage in there with the USB outlet. All right, let's check out the radio. Very nice. You also have something called gesture control. So if you want to turn the volume up or down, you don't have to. You could just do this.
Ain't got time to be serious, no time for no gang. Ain't taking no more, let us go for them chains. God bless they soul, every one of them names.
That's pretty cool. And this is to turn off your lane departure warning, I think. All right, let's check out the menu here. Here's your home screen. You have your media, your communications, navigation, your car, and your apps. Here's your media. You have your Sirius XM, AM radio, Spotify, Bluetooth audio, screen monitoring, mobile device. Then we have it all there. Presets. Your Sirius XM, FM, AM. You have your navigation. Here's the map. Map looks very nice. Your car. You have all your driving information, menu, vehicle status, settings. You have it all here. And your apps. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And you have your installed apps right there in your BMW store, so you can purchase apps from the BMW store. Very nice. Right here you have your touch control off, your camera, your parking sensors, and your auto stop technology. So if you press the rear camera button right here, you have your rear camera. And if you go into settings, you can, change all the settings on the camera as well. So it's very nice. You have your M mode, your setup, and your sport exhaust, your auto hold feature, and your hill descent button right there. I really like the carbon fiber around the center console. You also have it on the dash right there, and you have a little bit on the door panel. So it's pretty cool. You have your volume controls.
Going through them because you have a lot of employees. You stick it to somebody's forehead and
Your voice command.
monitor the temperature.
And this is to seek the station. Your Bluetooth telephone. And you have your cruise control right here. Turn signals. And this right here is a little camera because since this vehicle drives itself, it has a camera that will look at your face to make sure that you're paying attention. So that's pretty cool. And you have your wipers right here. Right there, you got your speedometer, your tachometer, your temperature, and your fuel gauge. And where it says speed, your gear selector. Very nice. You have your LED lights. And you have your panel sunroof. It's got an automatic dimmer rearview mirror. And here you have some storage. And you have your headlight controls. Put it back on automatic. All right, so I guess that's it for the inside. We'll go ahead and put the window down a little bit. We'll check out the back seat. Total price for this one is $123,795, and the MPG is 13 city and 28 highway. The rear also has self-closing doors as well. Show that one more time. Very cool. You got your power window, storage. You also have your power sunshade, or your manual sunshade right there. Mat pocket. You have on the passenger side as well. You have your climate controls for the rear. You have your temperature. Your fan speed, your temperature on each side. You also have heated rear seats. And you have some storage in there. Your air vents. You have storage in there. Cup holders. And you have your interior light. There's your panel sunroof. All right, let's check out the hatch. Of course, it has an automatic lift gate. It can also open this part right here. And this will act like a bench, so you can sit here for if you're having like a picnic or something. You got some storage in there. You can also put your spare tire in here if you want. You got your interior light. You can also fold the rear seats by releasing this latch right here. You have them on each side. And you have a 12-volt power outlet. Power window, power door locks, 2 press memory settings. You also have your massage function for the passenger seat. Storage down there. Full power seats as expected. Your glove box. Nice SUV. Alright, just gonna shut everything down. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the all-new 2021 BMW X5M competition. If you're interested in buying this car at Autobahn BMW, please give them a call. I'll leave the link and the telephone number down in the description down below. Thanks a lot for watching and goodbye. Stay tuned for the next video.